They found her in a parking lot of an apartment. Apparently, she'd been there for a few days and had likely been abandoned. Somebody was moving and didn't take her with them. We ended up going to meet her. I was looking for a dog, and my fiancé was sort of along for the ride. He's just more pragmatic than me, and we both have busy lives. But as soon as he saw her, it was game over. He couldn't say no. She's an incredibly sweet dog. The day after we brought her home, my family came over. It was a big group of us, and Layla was putting her head on their laps and was just like, "Okay, I guess this is pretty good." She absolutely adores my fiancé, and they have the sweetest relationship. She'll grab a toy and come up to him and solicit playtime. Anytime that he's on the couch, she's with him, resting her head on his lap. I'm more of the caretaker. She looks to me mostly when she's hungry. When we walk her, you can see people looking at her and being like, "What is that?" I describe her as having a pity head on a corgi body. She has the mismatched ears, one up, one down. She has an extremely long tail. She's very expressive, especially when she's tired. She really hits a wall at 9 p.m. and is just totally conked out. She brings us so much joy.
Please subscribe to support us and click the bell icon to get new video updates.